Hello everyone, welcome back to my online class. Today I am going to conduct period 2 of the chapters called Circumference of Circle. This is for 9th standards. The first questions which we have here is, let us calculate how long wire will be taken to a circular ring of radius 35 meters. So here we are talking about a ring, okay? So the shape of the ring is circular, right? The shape of the ring is circular. And what is told here? It is told that the radius is 35 meter, right? The radius is 35 meter. And what we are asked, how long wire will be required, okay? So length of wire required means this is the length of wire, right? And this is known as circumference. So here in the part of solutions, what we have got, we are given radius, right? We are given radius equals to 35 meter. So therefore, length of wire, okay, length of wire required, okay, length of wire required equals to, we will use the formula 2 pi r, that is circumference of a circle. Why? We are talking about the length of the wire. So suppose this is the length of the wire, okay, now this has been converted into a circular form, right? This is the circular form. So what we say? We say perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r, right? So we have 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 and r value, that is radius is 35 meters. So write here 35 meter. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, right? Now we need to multiply. So 2 into 22 will be 44, right? And 44 into 5. So 5 4 is 20. 2 carry. 5 4 is 20 plus 2, 22, right? So we got 210 meters. So this is the answer for this question. This question. So let's take the next question. Okay, the second question is, the radius of a wheel of a train is 0.35 meter. If it makes 450 revolutions per minute, let us calculate the velocity of train per hour, right? So suppose this is the wheel of the train, okay? Suppose this is the wheel of the train. And what we are told here? We are told that the radius is 0.35 meter, okay? The radius is 0.35 meter. And what we are asked to find? We are asked to find the velocity of the train per hour, right? So here, let's take the first solution part, okay? So in solution part, what we have here? Radius means we are given r equals to 0.35 meter, right? So when wheel will make one rotation, right? One revolutions, when it will do one revolutions, okay, in that it will cover the distance as much as the distance of its circumference, okay? It will cover the distance equal to the circumference of the wheel, right? So here at the first we'll find therefore distance, right? Distance covered, okay, distance covered in 1 minute, okay, in 1 minute equals to, right? What is told that if it makes 450 revolutions per minute, right? In 1 minute it makes 450 revolutions, okay? We are finding distance covered in 1 minute, so that 450 will take it, okay, into this 450, right? Then with one rotation, that is one revolutions, what distance it will cover? It will cover the distance equal to its perimeter, okay? That we say 2 pi r, okay? So let's take this 450 as it is, right? Into we have 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.35 meter, okay? This is what we got it, okay? Now here we can cancel this 7 1 7, right? 0 as it is, 0.75 35. We got this much, right? Now this is the distance covered in 1 minute. This is the distance covered in 1 minute, and this is we have in meter. What we are asked? We are asked to find the velocity of the train per hour, okay? It means in 1 hour, right? So therefore velocity, okay, velocity of train, okay, velocity of train per hour, velocity of train per hour, okay? So per hour, this is This is the distance we have got in, like what we say, in 1 minute. Okay, now we are finding per hour, means in 1 hour, right? So we have here 450 into 2 into 22 into 0.05 meter. This is meter. Okay, this is meter. Now what we'll do here, we will convert this into kilometer. Okay, instead of meter, what we'll do, we'll convert into kilometer. Why? We are asked per hour, isn't it? So we'll take kilometer per hour. Okay, because hour is a bigger unit of time. Okay, so we'll take bigger unit of distance also, right? So what we'll do here, we will divide this part by to convert kilometer meter into kilometer, we divide by 1000. We divide by 1000. Okay, so this will become kilometer. Okay, this will become kilometer. And actually we have to, in 1 hour we are asked, so we'll do here into 60. Okay, into 60. Now we got kilometer per hour. Okay, why we divided this one? We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, this is the rule we have. Okay, so for this purpose, what I have done, I divided by 1000, right? Now we'll solve it. Okay, so this 0 and this 0 we can cancel it. Okay, similarly this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled, right? Now what we can do here, 5 to the 10, 5 9s are 45, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. We got cancels, right? Then we have, what we have here, 9 into, then we have got here 22, 22 into, then what we have got here, 0.05. In place of 0.05, what I'll do, I'll write here 5, okay, into this 6 by. Why I'm doing by? Because here we have decimal, so this decimal I am removing, so I'll take here 100. Okay, why am I taking, why I'm taking here by 100? Because after decimal we got here 2 digits, right? So after writing 1 or double 0 we will write it. Okay, why? Because after decimal we have double digit here, so I have written here double digit, right? So now we need to multiply and we need to cancel it, right? So when we'll multiply this one, what we'll get here, 6 5s are 30, right? 9 into 22 into 6 5s are 30, right? 6 5s are 30 by 100, isn't it? Now this 0 0 will get cancelled, right? Then we got here 9 into 22, right? 22 into 9. We'll multiply this. 9 to the 18, 1 carry, 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19, right? Then what we have got here? We have got here 3, right? We'll multiply with 3. So 3 at the 24, 2 carried, 3 9 is 27, 28, 29, again 2 carried, 3 1 is 3 plus 2, 5, isn't it? So we got here how much? 5 9 4 by 10. Here this will be kilometer per hour. Here will be kilometer per hour, right? Again here will be also kilometer per hour. Now this 0 will cancel and we'll put here point. So we got here 59.4 kilometer per hour. So this is the, so we got here 59.4 kilometer per hour. So this is the velocity of the train. So I hope this solution is understandable for each and every one, whoever are watching this, right? If there will be any problem in understanding this, you can comment me in the comment box of my YouTube channel. Thank you all.